Hello everyone and welcome back to episode 3 of the Ford Cosworth Escort restoration series. In the last episode, in part 2, we actually rectified any dirt nibs in the paintwork that was caused by the painting process, and then we also gave it a stage 1 machine polish just to bring that paintwork back to life after wet flattening some of the dirt nibs that was in the paintwork. In this episode, we're going to put the vehicle back together and then we're going to send it over to Onyx Automotive to put it in the wash bay, get it fully decontaminated, ready for a stage 3 machine polish and ceramic coating. There we go, all wired up. There she is.
Here she is. So obviously you're back at Onyx Auto Bodies again. This here is finished off on a single stage, so you might see a few holograms, but obviously it's still going to go next door for the special work to get detailed. So obviously we've got the car in, we've stripped it down, we've repaired the vehicle, we've primed the vehicle, we've prepped the vehicle, then we've painted it, we've lacquered, and now we've just polished it up on a single stage. As you can tell though, we're still waiting for some side lights. We're also waiting for a battery because the bonnet's not closing properly because it keeps catching the battery. So once that's done, that's completed by us. Those parts should be with us by tomorrow, and then that can go next door. So yeah, as we've done to this, we've done a full repair on the front end, edge to edge, and then we've blended into the doors, and we've repaired the sills as well to go with it. And then also on the rear section, we've repaired the spoiler. Now this had a large crack running across from here to here. We've dead panelled this, and as you can see, we haven't painted the quarters, but that's the colour match that we've managed to get. So for the body shop side, we've completed it. It's going to go next door to Harry now, Onyx Automotive, so they can do a full detail and then the car will be completed.
the vehicle was fully decontaminated, it was now time to get it fully masked up and ready for a stage 3 machine polish. The transformation in the next episode is incredible, so make sure you subscribe and notifications on so you do not miss the final episode of this transformation.